This time we're not taking any stops. It is a 9-hour drive right there. And because of work and everything, we took off Wednesday. Gonna be there for 5 days.
Wednesday, Thursday, Fridays. 4. We'll come back Sunday. Sure, okay. 5 days. Yeah.
5 days. We'll come back Sunday. Again, all in one trip. So I don't know what we're thinking. This is, I mean, we just started at 7:58, and it's gonna be a long trip. It's gonna be a really long trip. Finally going back. It's been a couple years. If you guys haven't seen the first South Dakota trip, I'll put a link in it, or you can click top right, and it'll be there as well. When we were there last time, we caught pretty much nothing but smallies, switching up a little bit. We're just, if it swims, it's in the boat. It's coming in. All right, we're reeling it in. It's in the boat. All right, much needed break. Let's go do some fishing. All right, making our first stop-ish. Forgot a few things. We need Ziplocs, a surge protector, cooking oil. And I think that's about it. So we're just at DG real quick. Calvin ran in. We're gonna get that. Well, there he is. He's got a bag, so that's a good sign. Hopefully he got everything. We'll see though.
Boom, got it all.
Yeah, everything?
What? Yeah?
Yeah, okay, I'll just make sure. Back on the road.
Back on it. Is it good? All right, we made it. Yeah, it's windy. It's Lake OAHE is known for being windy. It's literally like, it's pretty bad out there. So we just got here. It's like what, 5 o'clock? About 5 o'clock. We got the tent. Boom. She all set up. Our pole's gonna snap. Maybe. Ground is hard, very, very hard. I forgot a hammer. So that's why you always carry a 1/2-inch socket just in case. It duels as a hammer. We're gonna finish setting up camp here and maybe try the shore fish.
I'm feeling a little hungry.
And how? We had like 4 hours ago. We might go like bino, you know, just look around a little bit. But yeah.
Bird watch.
Bird watch. Oh yeah, so we'll see you guys continuing on the rest of this video.
So vague. It's so vague. I don't know what we're doing. So even though it is super windy, we went ahead and rigged up some poles so we can fish the bank, which is over there. Which doesn't look terrible, but obviously it's still probably pretty windy. We did see some presumably fish, hopefully, bust. So we're not expecting much tonight, to be fair. We don't know if anything's gonna happen. We just kind of we've been itching to do it. We're itching to get a pole, get our lines wet, you know, because we did spend 9 hours trying to get here. So I'm okay if we don't get anything tonight. It'll be all right. It is still pretty windy, but see you guys down there. Fish on? Oh, Dante's got one. What we got? What? I got a pike.
No.
I got a... Oh my god.
Oh crap. Oh god. I got your pole. What the fuck? Is that what we've been getting hit all night by?
Can I even put my...
No, you can just hold him up like that, yeah. If you can't, he's kind of slimy.
He is a little slimy. Look at that. Oh.
Look at that.
Yeah, he's slimy.
First fish.
Oh. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Can't do this in Iowa. Can't catch these in Iowa. Can't catch anything in Iowa. South Dakota.
On a skirted jig. What the fuck? Dude,
Man.
he bit your claws
he bit
off.
it right off, yeah.
He bit your claws off. Look at that. The claws are gone.
Now this may not be like a massive one, but
it's a nice one.
it's a good start.
Let's eat
and
it.
this is what we're here for.
What?
What?
I said let's eat it, but no, put it back. Yeah, that's a good start.
Feeling?
Iceland, yeah.
Yum, 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 yum.
The fuck?
Yeah.
Nice release, nice release. Dude, I bet you there's a lot more.
Oh, 100%.
That's so on a skirted. You know what? I wonder if that's what I had. No, because what I had was way too white on the bottom.
Dude, my hands are all... Ew.
Call me Dragon because every time I'm over there, I have to do the fire because nobody else wants to do it. So that's just how good I am. Yeah, I'm kind of a big deal. We have no kindling, zero kindling. What kindling? Zero. So I had to scrape whatever we got. And hopefully this log catches, and hopefully these other 2 logs will catch.
Calvin got the fire going, obviously. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with cooking our brats, or hot dogs, brats? Hot dogs? Hot dogs. So, cook some hot dogs. It for today. We're gonna go ahead, eat, shower, prep for tomorrow, and got a big day ahead of us, got a big week ahead of us. So if you guys enjoyed this one and you want to see us go on the boat, catch some biggins, stay tuned.